Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Honeydue login error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Open another app or website to confirm your connection is stable. Step 2. Verify your login details. Carefully re-enter your emails and password. Check for typing mistakes. Make sure caps lock is off. If you forgot your password, tap forget password and reset it. Step 3. Restart the Honeydue app. Close the app completely. Wait a few seconds, then reopen it and try logging in again. This can fix temporary glitch. Step 4. Update the app. An outdated versions may cause login problem. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Honeydue. Now install any available updates. Step 5. Check for server outages. Sometimes Honeydue servers may be temporarily down. Visit their official website or social media page to check for server updates. Step 6. Contact Honeydue support. If none of the steps work, contact Honeydue customer support. Provide your email and the description of the error message for faster assistance. And that's how you can fix Honeydue login error. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.